improve design using that structure here. We will keep editing here. I will find it. Let's make the changes as well. So there we have to find another design. I will add some custom shapes there. So there we are. Use the different shapes here.